Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you what diagnostic code 34 means and how to troubleshoot the associated gate reversal or stoppage. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. We'll help you solve why a gate operator runs for a second or two, then stops, and there are no obstructions in the path of the gate. Look at the diagnostic display while attempting to run the operator. Diagnostic code 34 indicates the APE sensor in the operator is not receiving information. It can also result if the motor in the operator has been replaced and wired with the polarity reversed. If you attempt to run the operator again after code 34, you may get a code 91 indicating a force reversal, or code 93 indicating an RPM stall reversal. Click the info icon for more about these codes. Before servicing the APE, try reprogramming the limits. This will automatically resolve the problem of a miswired motor. If not, disconnect power to the operator. Check the APE wire harness connections. A wire may be loose or disconnected from the harness. Reconnect power to the operator and try running the gate operator to see if this resolved the issue. If not, disconnect the power to the operator again and remove the APE and inspect it. For some operators, this will require removal of the product cover in order to access the APE. Remove both wheels and inspect the optical sensors that are underneath. Dust or small particles blocking the diodes can cause malfunctions. A cotton swab and some isopropyl rubbing alcohol may be used to clean the optical sensors on top. Reconnect power and try running the gate operator to see if this resolved the issue. If these steps did not resolve the issue, replace the APE and its wiring harness. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Click the info icon for a video about accessing the diagnostic code history. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Visit liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet for more helpful information.